So, good evening everyone, good evening ma'am. And this my report is what are the major categories and format of traditional test. So, everyone is selected participant test. Required to select or to choose the correct answer or best alternative from the several choice. So, choose the correct answer, mapili ka like ABCD, pilihan mo dito ang correct answer din. Example of this is multiple choice test, di ba? Sagaraan na yan atong mga board exam, final exam, sa mga exam. Then second is true or false alternative response test. It generally consists of a statement and deciding if the statement is true or accurate, correct, or false or inaccurate or incorrect. So kaning true or false, siyempre mamili ta kung kani ba na sentence or paragraph is correct, di ba? Ito true ba siya nga na dito sa gihatag nga topic na discuss ba siya, di ba? And the last one is matching type test. It consists of two set or items to be matched with each other based on specific attribute, like example like this. So sa elementary ta, example like animals. So animals is E, then nasayang matching or nasayang isa ka set sa set A, set B, ang set A like animals, so set B ang animals dito nakatake dog. So siyempre ang dog nasa ipod mo tong ang i-match dito sa isad kay animals ang ipangayo, yatag mo na to ang kind of animals like dog, like that. So mo na siyang matching type. Then constructed response test, kaning constructed response test mo ni siya ang mag-construct ka sa words, paragraph, sentence na imong answer. Example of this is short answer. It consists of open-ended question or incomplete sentences that require learners to create an answer for each item, which is typically a single words or short phrase. So, ang short answer kanang muhatag og isa ka sentence ang isa ka maestra but kulang. So, ikaw nga mo answer, imo siya dungagan, dapat accurate po siya dito sa yang sentence na gihatag. Then, easy test. So, kaning easy test, common naman sa to, di ba? Easy test, mo ni siya it consists of problems, questions that require learners to compose or construct written response. Usually long ones with several paragraphs. Like, kaning easy, example like that mo hatag na at the end of this lesson, unsa man nimo nga to man ang maestra. So, siyempre mo create ka og essay or paragraph nga pila ka paragraph like 3 or 5 paragraph nga mahatag nimo about sa imong natun-an ato nga topic. So like that. Then next is problem solving test. So problem solving test is mo ni siya mga gamit og atong critical thinking, like solving a problem, math magisagarang na problem like x times y times x, like that. So common sa to ang problem solving test mo tag isa ka given ang isa ka maestra din kita na bala mo solve. Thank you.